buy. Go with me to see what I buy and seafood and stingray like fish. Also I like the seafood. But now I go to looking in seafood and stingray. Okay, let's go. Right now I come to looking seafood. So wow, look delicious. I like that. How much sister for one?
For one, 1,500.
Oh wow, 1,500.
Yeah.
It's nice.
By
I like that. Oh, you see? Yeah.
5,000.
This one 5,000. Yeah, look very good. But I think it's wrong for me and make I think cannot eat like. I cannot eat this one. Okay, I order 10 sister. 10, yeah. Cũng ở cho anh pay chứ bọn. Yeah. It's nice. I like that. Yeah, and they play in Sihanoukville and Cambodian. So I hope everyone will come here for one day. You see, it's nice for relax, enjoying, enjoy with the family, with husband and a wife, boyfriend, girlfriend. Okay. Okay, right now cook already and fish stingray. You see? Yeah, just only $1 and 1,000 real, like 5,000 real, and Cambodia like 4,000 real is $1. But this stingray and fish, wow, and amazing. Yeah, stingray. But when you buy in restaurant, expensive. I don't know, maybe $10, yeah, $7, $6, something. I don't know. But my first time I eat this fish. I never eat this fish with say before. So also and I order this one and seafood, like I don't know. Sorry, I'm not much to English to say, but yeah, like that, and seafood for one like 1,000 real, so not $1. So and when you buy 10 and money Cambodian 4,000 real is $1. But this a lot. I buy $2.50, have a lot like in 10. So but some place expensive and like another place like 1,500 real, but place I find, yeah, and just 1,000 real for this one and fish and stingray. My first time I eat this fish, I want to try. I never eat before. Wow, and amazing. Just $4, I have a lot of food. And Cambodian food is cheap price, same like that. So okay, now I try for one first. How good and when I eat in the fish stingray. Hey, let's go with me. This one is spicy. Okay. Now I try and stingray and the fish. Spicy. Oh my god. Wow, and amazing. I love that. Very good. My first time I eat this fish and stingray, so and amazing. Also, I have my friend with me too. This one, like in Kansberg. Kansberg is my boyfriend. For make you relax and like when you lonely, you need this one for with you for not make you lonely. So very good. I like that. Share everyone. An amazing day for me for looking in yeah, over there everywhere. So also on aircon and aircon original aircon, you know. When I drink, when I eat already, and then I go to swim. I go to find crab, and then maybe I can do barbecue to make for myself some things. Yeah, for sure. Okay, I eat the fish when dry already, and over there, sorry, this one. You see? Sorry for make you hungry. Good and amazing. Okay, here one more. Okay, guys. I hope you when one day you will come to Cambodian, yeah, and come to play and Sihanoukville and Cambodian. So you can try to see it's using it not the best, but I don't know how to say. But in Cambodia is small country, but very beautiful country. Also have a lot to play and beautiful. You can try come to Cambodia to see like and Siem Reap have a temple Angkor Wat, and also Phnom Penh and big city. So. And Phnom Penh already you try come to Sihanoukville to try and seafood here. It's nice. And also you have villa go to city place. Also you want to see Korong Sinlam. It's nice place also on an island, a mountain. So yeah, I want to go to see maybe later maybe this time I don't know, but I go before already like 3-4 times for sure. So I come here. Sorry. So before and this place have a lot of bar, restaurant. So and beer, drop beer, 1 club 50 cents. But now everything changed. But I like that. I don't come here for a long time, like 7-8 years ago. So I happy to come here again, and then I eat the seafood here again. I'm happy that. Also my first time I eat this way, very nice for me. Okay, I hope everyone have a good day. And good luck for with your family, enjoy time, enjoy day. So, but please can don't forget you love me, you love make honey travel also. Please can add YouTube website make honey travel. Have a lot to new YouTube for show. Sorry for new video and new video and show you everywhere in Cambodia for sure. And Angkor Wat, and Siem Reap Angkor Wat, and Wat Tambong, and Phnom Penh, and Sihanoukville. Sorry, because I'm happy to come to Sihanoukville and enjoy the food. That's why my English like, oh, I hope you it's okay, understand me. Okay, love you, thank you.